Decap 26, so just do tips and pairs and hobbies. And you got to push this tray in, this extender, and pull the bottom tray out. That's where your paper is for the bottom. And I'm going to show you that in the software where you find that. So stay tuned. Here you open it up, and you want to print this, okay? And you want to go down to, File, Print, okay, and you go to, scroll down a little bit, go to Media and Quality. See Feed Form? It says Main Tray. You have Rear Tray, Main Tray, so you put it on Main Tray, okay, and then you select your paper, plain paper, then you hit Print, and it will start printing from your main tray, which you hear right now. Okay, it's coming out of the main tray right now, and I'll show you that. Well, I can't show you that, but it's there. That's how you do that. If you have any questions, leave the questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.